Hi kids! Are you ready for today's learning adventure? Okay, great! Let's go! Phonics. N is for nail. Nail. N is for nose. Nose. Phonics. O is for onion. Onion. O is for orange. Orange. Phonics. P is for pig. Pig. P is for pen. Pen. Phonics. Q is for quail. Quail. Q is for queen. Queen. Phonics. R is for rooster. Rooster. R is for ribbon. Ribbon. Phonics. S is for socks. Socks. S is for strawberry. Strawberry. Phonics. T is for tent. Tent. T is for teeth. Teeth. Phonics. U is for urchin. Urchin. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Phonics. V is for vulture. Vulture. V is for vase. Vase. Phonics. W is for wagon. Wagon. W is for window. Window. Phonics. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. X is for zimmerman. Zimmerman. Phonics. Y is for yarn. Yarn. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Phonics. Z is for zucchini. Zucchini. Z is for zeppelin. Zeppelin. Phonics. Thanks for being present today. Please subscribe to this channel so you can catch up with our fun time learning adventures. See you next time.